The stars leaned down to kiss the earth. The night began to glow. When mercy walked upon the sand and let the rivers flow. Carry my breath, O morning breeze, to the streets of gold and green. Tell the master of my tears and the sights my soul has seen. No lamp can match that radiant face, no sun can claim his light. He is the dawn that broke the veil of the soul's longest night.